Hey there, YouTube fans. How you going, man? I've got a Haier, or however you pronounce it, Haier, Haier washing machine, and it's got 3 drawers, and the middle drawer's got like a blue part where you push on the blue part and the whole thing will come out. There's a little button, you can pull the whole thing out and you can wash it. So number 2 here is the main wash. That's where you put either your powder or your soap liquid detergent. And then fabric softener is in the middle, in the middle, let's call it. And pre-wash, it says here powder only pre-wash if you have very soiled load. So I've just been using the main wash, which is over here as number 2. If I push on that, that'll come up. Okay. So look, mainly I would use main wash and then fabric softener only. So I hope that helps. Certainly will help me. I've found this from an official Haier video, so it should be right. Thank you. God bless. Teach us all out.